Hi guys, welcome to Olive Learning. Now let us see some problems in exercise 1 of B from your Icai textbook. Question number 11. If x is to y is equal to z is to w equal to 2.5 is to 1.5. Now we are asked to find out the value of x plus z by y plus w. So I am going to write this ratio in division form. So solution. So we can write x is to y by as x by y, that equal to z is to w as z by w, that is equal to 2.5 by 1.5. So this type of problems we already studied. So the value of x equal to z is equal to 2.5. So x is equal to 2.5, z is equal to 2.5. The value of y equal to w is equal to 1.5. That is, y is equal to 1.5, w is equal to 1.5. So now we can find out the value of this one. So x plus z by y plus w is equal to, so in place of x, z, y and w, you put the respective values. So x is equal to 2.5, so 2.5 plus z also 2.5 by y 1.5 plus w is equal to 1.5, so that is equal to 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 5 by 1.5 plus 1.5 is equal to 3. So the value is 5 by 3. Question number 12. If 5x minus 3y by 5y minus 3x is equal to 3 by 4, then the value of x is to y is. So here it is in division form. It is better to cross multiply the values. You can get the value of x is to y. So solution. So 5x minus 3y by 5y minus 3x is equal to 3 by 4. Now we can cross multiply the terms. So 4 is common to both the terms. So 4 into 5, that is 20x, minus 4 into 3y, that is 12y, is equal to 3 into 5y, so 15y, minus 3 into 3x, that is 9x. Now we can bring all the x terms one side and y terms another side. So here it is 20x. So when you bring this minus 9x, so it becomes plus 9x is equal to, here it is 15y. So you bring this minus 12y that side, so it becomes 12y plus 12y. So 20x plus 9x, that is 29x is equal to 15y plus 12y, that is 27y. Now we are asked to find out the value of x is to y. Therefore, you bring this y this side. Here you keep x. So x, when y comes this side, it becomes by y is equal to, here it is 27. So 27. So bring this 29 that side. So 29 into x. So it becomes division. So 29. So now we know the ratio form, that is, this can be written as x is to y is equal to 27 is to 29. Question number 13. If a is to b is equal to 3 is to 2, comma, b is to c is equal to 3 is to 5, then we are asked to find out the value of a is to b is to c. Solution. So given a is to b, is equal to 3 is to 2. B is to C. B is to C is equal to 3 is to 5. Here you check. It is also B. It is also B. So the second term is B. So here B is 2. Here first term is B. So B is equal to 3. Now we check, the values are different, but B in the sense it must be same. So it is better to multiply this 2 by this 3. So I am going to multiply this by 3. So multiply this 3 by this 2. So now we check, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So we are converting these two values into same, because these two values are B. B in the sense the same value. So if you multiply one term by 3, then the other must be multiplied by the same value. So we already studied this. So 2 is multiplied by 3, then you must multiply this also by 3. If 3 is multiplied by 2, then this 5 also must be multiplied by 2. Now we get, so A is to B is equal to 3 3s are 9 is to 2 3s are 6. So B is to C, so B is to C is equal to 3 2s are 6 is to 5 2s are 10. Now let us check. A is to B. A in the sense 9. B equal to 6. So B equal to 6. So the values become same. So the value of B is 6. The value of C is 10. So A is to B is to C is equal to A equal to 9 is to B. These two are B. This one, both of them are B. That is B is equal to 6. So the value of C is 10. Now we can simplify this one. So the answer is 9 is to 6 is to 10. Question number 14. If x by 2 equal to y by 3 is equal to z by 7, then the value of this one we have to find out. So this type also we already studied in the example session. So solution, that is the value of x is equal to 2, value of y is equal to 3, value of z is taken as 7. Therefore 2x minus 5y plus 4z by 2y is equal to, so substitute the values here, you can get the answer. So 2x, so 2 into x is equal to 2 minus 5y, that is 5 into y is equal to 3 plus 4z, so 4 into z is equal to 7 by 2y, that is 2 into y is equal to 3, that is equal to 2 2s are 4. So 4 minus 5 3s are 15 plus 4 7s are 28 by 2 3s are 6. Now let us check. Here 4 plus 28. So 32 minus 15 by 6. So 32 minus 15, that is 17. So 17 by 6. So the value is 17 by 6. Question number 15. If x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3, then x is to y is to z is. So we already studied this type of problem. So given x is to y is equal to 2 is to 3, y is to z is equal to 4 is to 3. Now we have to check the same terms, that is x, y. Y is equal to 3 here. So here y is equal to 4. Now we have to convert the y terms into same. So you have to multiply this 3 by this 4. So 4. This 4 by this 3. So 3. So if you multiply this 3 by 4, then you multiply this one also by 4. If you multiply this 4 by 3, then you multiply this one also by 3. So therefore x is to y is equal to 2 4s are 8 is to 3 4s are 12. So y is to z is equal to 4 3s are 12 is to 3 3s are 9. Now we check y became same. So the value of x is 8, y is 12, z is 9. Therefore x is to y is to z is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 9. So here also we can't simplify more than this because 8 will not come under the third table. So x is to y is to z is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 9. Question number 16. Division of rupees 750 into 3 parts in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. That is, we are asked to find out or divide rupees 750 in the ratio 4 is to 5 is to 6. So solution. That is, we know it is divided into 3 parts. That is 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to. So that is sum of the amount becomes 750. So from this we can find out the value of x first. So 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15. So 15x is equal to 750. So x is equal to 750 by 15. So 15 one time, 5 15s are 75, so 50. Therefore x is equal to 50. Now we have to find out the values. That is first amount. That is first amount is equal to 4x. That is 4x. That is equal to 4 into the value of x is 50. So that is equal to 200. So second amount is equal to 5x. That is 5 into 50. That is equal to rupees 250. So third amount (6x). So 6 into 50, that is equal to rupees 300. So if you add these three values, you get rupees 750. So 300 plus 250, 550, 550 plus 200, that is equal to 750. So the three parts are 200, 250, 300. Question number 17. The sum of the ages of 3 persons is 150 years. 10 years ago, their ages were in the ratio 7 is to 8 is to 9. Their present ages are. So listen carefully. The sum of the ages of 3 persons is 150 years. That is, the present age of 3 persons is 150 years. So solution. It is given that that is the sum of percentage of 3 persons is equal to 150. Listen, 10 years ago, so before 10 years, their ages were in the ratio 7 is to 8 is to 9. That is, before 10 years in the sense, each person's age is reduced by 10. So first person 10, second person 10, third person 10. So totally 30 years will be reduced in the percentage. So I hope you understood this one. So therefore, it is given that 10 years ago the ratio becomes 7 is to 8 is to 9. Therefore 7x plus 8x plus 9x is equal to, here again present age is 150. So 10 years ago each person's age is reduced by 10. So first person's age is 10 reduced, second person's age is also reduced by 10, third person's age is also reduced by 10. So totally 30. So 30 years reduced, therefore 150 minus 30, that is 7x plus 8x plus 9x you can add. So 7 plus 8 15, 15 plus 9 24. So 24x is equal to 150 minus 30, so that is 120. So x is equal to 120 by 24, that is 5. 5 24s are 120. Therefore x is equal to 5. Now we are asked to find out their present ages. So before 10 years the age is 7x plus 8x plus 9x is equal to 120. But now we are asked to find out the age now present, that is after 10 years. Therefore the present ages becomes first person's age 7x, therefore it becomes 7x plus 10, because after 10 years this is for before 10 years, this is for after 10 years, that is present age. So the ages becomes 7x plus 10, therefore the second person 8x plus 10, the third person 9x plus 10, that is 7x plus 10, 7 into x, the value of x is 5 plus 10, 8x, that is 8 into 5 plus 10, 9x, that is 9 into 5 plus 10. Therefore the percentage becomes 7 5s are 35 plus 10, 8 5s are 40 plus 10, 9 5s are 45 plus 10. Therefore 35 plus 10 45, so 50 55. So now we add these three ages, you get 150 45, so 95 150. So the ages are 45 50 and 55. Question number 18. The numbers 14 16 35 42 are not in proportion. Given these four quantities are not in proportion, we are asked to find out the fourth term for which they will be in proportion. In order to become these four quantities in proportion, which one must be the fourth term? But it is given 42 in the fourth term, but it is wrong, so we have to find out the correct value. So let us take the quantities as 14 16 35. The fourth term is wrong, so fourth term is taken as x. Now if four quantities are in proportion, we know product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes is equal to product of means. So extremes, that is 14, and x, that is 14 into x, is equal to product of means, that is 16 into 35. So now we can bring this 14 that side. So x is equal to 16 into 35 by 14. Now we can cut. So 7th table, 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So 2 1 is 2, that is 2 8s are. Therefore x is equal to 40. That is the fourth term. If the fourth term is 40, then the four quantities will be in proportion. So question number 19. If x by y is equal to z by w, That is, we can write this in ratio form, that is x is to y is equal to z is to w, implies y is to x. So y is to x is equal to w is to z. Then the process is, that is the property is, they are asking what is the property belongs in this. Okay, now we already studied, if a is to b is equal to c is to d, then the invertendo of a is to b equal to c is to d can be written as b is to a equal to d is to c. That is, if a is to b is equal to c is to d, then the invertendo of this proportion is b is to a equal to d is to c. See, here you check, x is to y is changed into y is to x. X is to y, y is to x. Z is to w is changed into w is to z. W is to z. So this is in invertendo process. So it is in invertendo process. So question number 20. If P by Q equal to R by S is equal to P minus R by Q minus S, then the process is, so they are asking to find out the property of proportion. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, then the subrogando of this proportion is A minus C is to B minus D. That is subrogando. So here also it is given easy. P by Q, we can write P is to Q. That is P is to Q is equal to R by S can be written as R is to S. Now we check, it is given P minus R, that is P minus R. A is to B equal to C is to D, then A minus C, A minus C. So here you compare this one, in the same property it is written. So next one is Q minus S. So it is in, so we can write the subrogando of this is P minus R by Q minus S. Therefore it is in subrogando property. So subrogando. I hope you understood all these problems well. Thank you.